Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at tokenized real estate and asset ownership, revolutionizing investment opportunities. 1. Introduction. Digital transformation of real assets, tokenized real estate, and asset ownership represent a groundbreaking application of blockchain technology, enabling fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and broader access to traditionally illiquid assets. 2. Tokenization process. Asset fractionalization. Tokenization involves breaking down real estate properties or other assets into digital tokens, each representing a fractional ownership stake in the underlying asset. Smart contracts. Smart contracts on blockchain networks facilitate the issuance, transfer, and management of tokenized assets, ensuring transparency, security, and compliance with predefined rules and regulations. 3. Benefits of tokenized ownership. Fractional ownership. Tokenization allows investors to purchase smaller fractions of high-value assets, reducing barriers to entry and enabling broader participation in real estate and other investment opportunities. Liquidity enhancement. Tokenized assets can be traded on digital asset exchanges, providing investors with increased liquidity compared to traditional real estate investments, which often involve lengthy sale processes. 4. Real estate tokenization. Diversification. Investors can diversify their portfolios by investing in tokenized real estate assets across different locations, types, residential, commercial, industrial, and risk profiles. Access to prime properties. Tokenization opens up investment opportunities in prime real estate properties that may have been previously inaccessible to individual investors due to high capital requirements. 5. Advantages for asset owners. Capital formation. Asset owners can raise capital by tokenizing their real estate holdings, unlocking liquidity without the need for traditional financing channels or resorting to property sales. Efficient asset management. Tokenization streamlines asset management processes, including rent collection, property maintenance, and distribution of profits, through automated smart contract execution. 6. Investor considerations. Regulatory compliance. Investors should ensure that tokenized assets comply with relevant securities regulations and legal frameworks in their jurisdiction to mitigate regulatory risks and ensure investor protection. Due diligence. Conducting thorough due diligence on tokenized assets, including property valuations, legal documentation, and project viability, is essential to assess investment risks and potential returns. 7. Use cases beyond real estate. Art and collectibles. Tokenization extends to other asset classes, including art, collectibles, precious metals, and intellectual property rights, enabling fractional ownership and investment opportunities for a broader range of assets. Venture capital and startups. Tokenized equity offers startups and venture capital firms a new way to raise capital and distribute ownership stakes, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship in the digital economy. 8. Challenges and considerations. Market liquidity. Despite increased liquidity, tokenized assets may still face challenges in establishing robust secondary markets with sufficient trading volume and price discovery mechanisms. Legal and regulatory hurdles. Complex regulatory landscapes and legal uncertainties surrounding tokenized assets require careful navigation and compliance to avoid legal risks and regulatory penalties. 9. Future outlook. Market growth. The tokenization of real estate and assets is expected to continue growing as technological advancements, regulatory clarity, and investor demand drive adoption and innovation in the space. Integration with traditional finance. Increased collaboration between traditional financial institutions and blockchain-based platforms may facilitate the integration of tokenized assets into mainstream investment portfolios, further expanding the market reach and impact of tokenization. 10. Conclusion. Tokenized real estate and asset ownership represent a transformative shift in the investment landscape, offering fractional ownership, enhanced liquidity, and diversified investment opportunities for both investors and asset owners. As the market matures and regulatory frameworks evolve, tokenization is poised to reshape traditional finance and democratize access to valuable assets on a global scale.